Let's slowly warm up how to use the Google Sheets and the Working Agents engine. First of all, I have a really simple rule here. In my Excel or Google Sheet files, you only need to edit the text with dark blue bold colors, as you can see on the screen. Please do not touch the rest unless it is kind of a drop-down list or a label. Also, you can change the labels, of course. I put my name here, you can change it to your own name. Okay, the first column is about who is buying the agents. I put my name here. You can change it into your own name. Or you can use your bank account, broker, exchange name if you wish. Next is the stock ticker that you will enter. In every country, each stock has its own ticker symbol. This will help to retrieve stock data from the Google services. Do not worry about other markets. We have funds, ETFs, and crypto versions of these on our Google Sheets. Next is the exchange name. Generally, you can leave this empty, but sometimes stock tickers clash with each other between countries. Imagine AAPL means Apple in United States, and AAPL could mean a telecommunication stock in India. In that case, you must also supply the exchange name. You can find the exchange names on the Google Finance Services website. Next is the times invested. This is very simple. This is basically the agent count here. You cannot see the rest at the moment, but I have invested in Apple 4 times before with 4 agents. So this number is set to 4 for now. Then the company and the current stock price. Both of them auto-calculated. There's no need for you to touch them. Next 3 parts are extremely important. First, the date you bought the stock. You must enter the correct information about when you bought the stock here, because calculating the time and days is extremely important for the working agents engine. Then the lot, share, or quantity number all means the same thing. Basically, how many shares did you buy? 2 shares, 3 shares, or 0.01 lots of Bitcoin? Make sure you enter the right and correct number here. Next is the cost of buying the shares that day. For example, it says $219. Basically, it means that on 12th June 2024, I bought 2 shares of Apple stock at the price of $219. Next shows the close price of the shares you bought that day. This is just for a checkup. It generally should be a close number to your purchase. Next column shows how much did it cost. You bought 2 shares at the price of $219, for example. It costed me around $438. If I sell it now with the current price of $208, it will cost $416 total with the 2 shares. So the next column showing me the profits. Basically, right now I am in a loss here with minus $22 or 5.02%. Since 12 June 2024, 54 days have passed. Remember, days passed are extremely important for us. It is the core of the working agent system. Lastly, a calculation of the buying power, which we will discuss later on. Let me recap. What is one agent line telling me here? It is telling me I bought 2 shares of Apple stock at the price of $219 on the date of 12 June 2024. It costed me around $438, and 54 days have passed since 12 June 2024. Right now, Apple stock is trading at $208 and I am in negative $22 with a 5% loss. And I can sell it for $416. I hope this makes everything very clear. It is actually extremely, really simple. Just watch it a couple of times and it will make more and more sense. As you can see, this is the Apple chart. Just for example, it can be gold chart or Bitcoin chart or a local stock in your country. Imagine that we bought totally random tops and bottoms with zero technical analysis. We bought 2 shares each time with the price of $219, $236, $214, and $195. You open the charts, close your eyes, both randomly. Think of it that way. Let's see what happens at the moment. The current price is $208. How am I doing here? Wow, really bad. 3 agents are negative and 1 agent is positive only. Not amazing at all. Now let's give it a time here. Just in a couple of months, Apple price is now trading at $232. What do you think? Am I doing better or worse today? Let's see, price now jumped to $232. It is our current price. As you can see, it is better. 3 agents now positive and only 1 agent is negative. I started to make some money at least. Let's give it more time. Remember, we have no idea what will happen in the short-term fluctuations. We are not concerned about short-term. We are now investors. We are not traders anymore. We are looking for the long horizon. Now the price jumped to $253 after a couple of months again. Let's check the agents one more time. With the current price of $250, we are doing pretty good actually. What I try to show you here, if we look at our investments in individual levels, we will see many different things compared to cost averaging. Of course, I know, is investing this easy and simple? No, not at all. But do not worry, we will talk about everything in this masterclass program.